Okay, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube land, it's time to do the draw for my giveaway that ended on the 30th of September. 28 entries in total, all loaded into this wheel. I'd like to thank you all for taking part and the lovely congratulations that you sent me on the milestones. I wish I could give everyone something, but obviously I can't. There will be only one winner. So with that said and without further ado, let's hit the bloody button. Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Oh, it's Kev at 9K Creations. Okay, mate, so I need a t-shirt size from you and an address. You know the score. Jake and Jamie always say it. FB, Insta, Pigeon, Tuna Fish, Turtle, or...
If you don't have a pigeon, you could always send a hobbit. After all, they were good enough to take the ring to Mordor.
Let me know and we can get that off in the post to you. Thanks again for participating. Have a great week and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.